back, and I'm going to sharpen up this Gerber today with the serrated. It's this man's knife. I'll show you this works. Anything serrated, I roll it in the middle, it makes it vibrate, hits up and down in between the teeth, hits them from the tip to the valley. I have not yet found a serrated they don't work on. Now on the smooth edge, put it on the end of the table, squeeze it tight, draw through. Our rods are made to squeeze back so they follow the original edge, takes all the guesswork out, puts the original edge up as sharp as it can get. They're quick, they're simple, anyone can do it. See that? Hit them on a piece of leather when you're done, and that'll polish it. Any leather works. How's that feel? Better?
Yeah. Has a midnight sharp before it too.
Alright, and how's that serrated?
Nice.
There we go. I'm doing these today, 20 each.
Alright, I will be buying one.
Alright. You can. Like Sharpener, we will sharpen every blade.